India says market forces and not tariff threats from Washington are what's driving its decision to cut crude oil imports from Russia. Oil Minister Hardeep Singh Puri speaking to Rebecca Bundhun for CNA on the sidelines of India Energy Week.
Our imports from Russia used to be pretty negligible. There used to be like 0.2%, then they went up, now changing more oil, then in between there were discounts. But overall, I see a secular decline in those. But by the way, our mind is not wired to feel any pressure.
But are you actively trying to reduce those?
It's a market force. There are some private players who would have done it. The others people are also at it. I think it's a happy situation overall.
And Venezuela, is that a potential option for you? It looks like it could open up.
I genuinely believe that wherever there is uncertainty, there's an opportunity. Now, what has happened in Venezuela, all right, I'm not going to go into the politics of it, but let me tell you, Venezuela is producing about 1 million barrels a day, okay? Now, the effort, I think I saw a televised exchange between President Trump and his main oil company, and he said, you guys go and invest there. Some of them said it's uninvestable. I don't know. But in any case, hopefully that 1 million barrels which Venezuela is producing will go up, not go down. I'm hoping. Similarly, once problems are resolved with Iran, that will go up. That will add to the overall global supply. Whenever it happens, I am not in a position to, whatever the contentious issues between Venezuela and United States or somebody else or Cuba, I can't get into that. But I think overall, there's not going to be any shortage of energy available in the world. We used to buy from 27 countries. We are now buying from 41 countries.
Minister, it's interesting. There's been a lot of talk at the conference and a lot of focus on attracting investment into India's energy sector. Where do you see India, its potential in terms of the global energy order?
I would not even qualify the Indian situation with potential. It is already very much a central. It is part of the hardcore, center of where the energy discourse is taking place. Why is that so? One, we are very large consumers, and our consumption is growing at 3 times the global average. Number 2, we are large importers. Number 3, we are large exporters also. And we have the world's 4th largest refining capacity, which is going to go up. I mean, how many countries in the world which have 260 million metric tons per annum of refining capacity, and they've already got plans in another few years to make it 320 and go up beyond that. So your large consumers, large importers, large producers, and the production part of it is now receiving a lot of attention. The Prime Minister, I think in his inaugural address, and certainly he made that point to the global CEOs, that look, the Indian energy sector provides a $500 billion investment opportunity.